Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, uh, almost trading flat, while we can say Nasdaq 100 is trading within the zone. It is not willing to break on the downside, and it has not shown any interest to move up as well, while US30 is the one which has retraced a little and it has come to the support zone, what we have discussed with the Europe session earlier in the day when we have released the indices update for DAX, FTSE and Nasdaq. I had told very clearly that 38,950, 39,000 levels are going to remain the support. So now what to expect with the US session, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First Nasdaq, followed with Dow Jones, Australian. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. First, let's have a look at tech. Now see, first if you look at tech 100 forming the bottom here, you will find rise retracement, taking the support here from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 18,250, 270. This is going to be the critical zone, and that is going to remain a support as well. Now finding the support, it is in fact reversed. Now possibly it can try to form a double top and then from a rise from there, but right now I can see diminishing bullishness and diminishing bearishness as well. Stochastic rising from the bottom. Look at MACD on the early charts. It is trading with divergence and bearishness, and it is looking downwards as of now. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Coming to look at 2 hour charts, rise, retracement, rise, and it is just waiting for the moving average to climb up. It is trading sideways within the zone here, and it is not willing to drop. That is one thing. It is showing a reversal, but I will wait because see, one red candle, couple of bullish candle, and then it could show a fall there. So thus on the upside, as long as 18,350, 370 zone is not taken, we should not be trading Nasdaq 100 as bullish for the day. Yes, as long as 18,350, 370 zone is not taken, we should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bullish. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It is still staying in green. RSI is still overbought. Coming to 3. Now look at 3 hour charts here. You can see it trading sideways and possibly achieving the highs. We can see it reversing. We can see it dropping here. Now, if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence. These are prices are trading with divergence from the moving average. We can see it approaching towards these levels, that is 18,150, 180 zone. But right now it is staying sideways. It is waiting for the moving averages to climb up a little. Stochastic has dropped. It has come out of the overbought zone. MACD is in green, trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. If you look at the waves, first wave, second wave, and it can lead to the third wave as well. RSI overbought, coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour charts, you can find out higher highs, lower lows. It is right now precisely situated at the median, and that is why I say beyond 18,350, 370 is where you should treat this as bullish. On the downside, support at 18,280, 270 is seen. Below 270 is where we can recommend a sell. Stochastic overbought, trying to come out of the overbought zone. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, but it is not yet crossed over. But what I will expect it to yield a wave here where it can try to hit the lows before rising. RSI overbought. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. What it has done, it has come out of the consolidation. It has achieved higher highs and it has achieved lower lows from the preceding, that is weak beginning candle today itself, earlier in the day what we had seen. So right now it is precisely sitting at the median and it can swing either which ways, but I will wait for it to break beyond 18,340, 370 zone. That will be the confirmation of further bullishness. If it stays beyond 18,340, 370, consider that we are looking forward to 18,400 and 420, and then beyond that we will in fact look forward to 18,500 very very. While right now I'll be looking forward to a retracement personally, but on the downside the support levels are also very nearby. If you look at the moving averages, see where is the 20 period moving average? It is sitting right now at around 17,900. So a possible retracement from the current candles. What has happened here? See, couple of bullish candle retracement. So couple of bullish candle, it can retrace. Where to? It can wait for the price to climb up. How far? 18,000, 18,200 should be the. If you look at just 300 points of move from here, it is going to get the support. So yes, as long as 18,000 and 17,800 is respected on the downside, do not treat Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI is flat and bullish. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 18,340, where you can expect 18,370 as the next targets, and then beyond that, rather I be cautious around 18,340, 370 zone. Those who are willing to look forward to a sell in that zone, as long as it stays below 18,340, that should be an ideal selling entry. But beyond 18,340, 18,370, it should not be a selling as well. And beyond 18,340, 370 is where the bullishness will increase. Beyond 370, you can look forward to 18,420, and then beyond that 18,500 cannot be denied. On the downside, a selling entry at 18,280, 270 can be taken. but then also you have to careful at around 18,240 first target, and then 18,200 180 as the next. If it stays below 18,180, more bearishness may be seen towards 18,100 18,100 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting today. And if you are not able to join this batch, you can join or enroll for the next batch, that is the 30th batch starting in the month of April. You can register now and enroll now itself. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals, you can benefit. Again, ping me on Telegram or write an email for your details related to the services offered. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which offers least spreads, which offers a swap free account, which is safe, secure, where the transfers, withdrawals are easier, and it's regulated, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description as well. Now let's have a look at Dow. Now look at US30 here. You will find it is staying in the bullish channel and where the bottom of the channel. Yes, also one must notice after the drop it is under retracement, and thus it is very very important for US30 to break below 38,900, 38,800. Below that you should treat this as bearish. Now what it has done, remember, after the rise it is retraced, and if it breaks beyond 39,050, you can buy here again and expect it to rise more. That is one point. If you look at a stochastic, this has hit the bottom. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour charts, I can see it is staying within the zone here. It is staying within the box. The lows here at 38,900 are going to remain the stronger support. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, looking downwards. RSI is looking down as well. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, you can find out after the drop under the retracement, wait for it to break below 38,800, and that should be the reverse of river or return of bears here. As long as 38,800 is respected, do not treat US30 as bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD trying to cross over for sell. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour charts, very clear. Bigger red candle is information. It can try to in fact move towards 38,900, 38,850. Look at these candles here. It has formed a base at around 38,840, 850. And if it drops below 38,800, consider that as a bearish reversal, and we can look forward to a drop. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts here. The drop, the retracement, lower highs, lower lows, 20 period moving average is 38,800. Very, very important for it to drop below 38,800. Now only buying entry today is beyond 39,050, and then you can wait for 39,120, 130 levels to be breached. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Remember, it is still not to be treated bearish. You can look at higher highs, higher lows. Thus 38,900 is an achievable level, and this should be a level below which moderate bearishness can be expected and reversal chances will be diminished. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bearish here. RSI is also comfortable. Coming to a buying entry is very clear at 38,950, 39,050 levels. Beyond 39,050 is where the bulls will take over. Where in fact, even if it tries to stay beyond 39,050, you can look forward to 39,120 and 39,200 as the two targets. Beyond 39,200, clearly there are bulls. And the downside, there are greater support available. I will recommend you to sell here at 38,950, 930 zone. This is going to be the support zone. Below 38,950, 930, you can look forward to 38,900 and 38,800 as the two targets. As long as 38,800 is there, I will not treat US30 as bearish. Remember this fact. So take your positions accordingly. It can in fact bounce back as long as 38,900 is respected today. It can show you a recovery. It can show you a rise towards 39,100 levels as well. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do stay tuned with the next update with the Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.